Hi everybody, my name is Peggy, aka Peggy Peg. Welcome on my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm just gonna show you how I do my hot oil treatment and my deep conditioning treatment. I do that once a week, so every time I wash my hair, after I do my shampoo, and before I detangle with my detangler or my conditioner, my detangling conditioner. Yeah, so I do it once a week just because I feel that it moisturizes my hair a lot, and to grow out your hair, it needs to be moisturized and healthy. And I think the hot oil treatment is very good to get a clean scalp and to get it all moisturized with the good oils that it needs. And the deep conditioner is super good for your actual hair, to let it be moisturized and smelling good. So I feel that those two things together are very good for my hair and to maintain length. So on this video, I'm just going to show you what oils that I use and what treatment that I use for my hair. So if you want to see that, just keep on watching. Well, I guess you want to see that since you clicked on the button. Well, I'm just going to show you the video now, so thank you. Okay, so I use a bottle like that. That way it's easier for me to put the product directly on my scalp. I can tell that there's a little bit of oil here because I was done from the last time, but I'm gonna show you how I do it this time. So, of course, I'm gonna use some Jamaican black castor oil. This oil is the best to grow out your hair. I don't know what it is, but this thing makes your hair grow super fast and super thick. So if you have problems with hair growth or thin hair, just try it, rub it on your scalp. It's very good. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that in my bottle. Like this amount here. I'm sorry, I ain't got no measurements for that. I just go by eye, and if I put too much, there's no problem. I'm just gonna use the rest for my next wash day, for my next hot oil treatment. So I prefer to put more than to put less. So that's the quantity that I'm putting for my Jamaican black castor oil. Of course, I'm gonna mix it with some more oil just because this one is very thick and you really want to be able to just distribute that. So you're gonna mix it with something else. So I'm gonna use, of course, some coconut oil. This one is very good to moisturize your hair and to make it grow as well. So I'm just gonna mix it with that. I'm gonna put it with my castor oil. So a little bit more than the castor oil, just because the first oil, as I said, is very thick, so I really want to make it more soft, more manageable, if I can say so, with super light oil as the coconut oil. So that's why I'm mixing it together. After that, I'm gonna put some tea tree oil. This oil is good if you have a dry scalp or psoriasis like myself. It makes your scalp feel clean and very cool. I don't know how to describe it, but this is a very good oil for dry scalp. So I've put like 10 drops of that. Time I had this one. This is jojoba. Jojoba? Yo, I seriously don't know how to say that, but jojoba. Okay, so sometimes I had that to my mixture, but I ain't got no more, so I can't. but for today that's gonna be my hot oil treatment. So I'm just gonna close that. Just gonna heat up. You can put it in the microwave, or you can do like I'm gonna do, using a very hot oil, and I'm gonna put it in here for like 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove my t-shirt from my hair. It's a little bit damp, but not too much water, just like that. So I'm gonna use my hot oil treatment and put it everywhere on my scalp. Then I'm gonna rub it in for like 2 minutes. Sometimes I use my fingers just like that, but sometimes I use a thing like that. I'm not sure where I've bought it. I think it's from Amazon, or I don't know where, but if I find it, I'm gonna put the link for that on the description box. But this basically is just vibrates, and so it's easier for you to massage your hair like that. And also the massaging movements from your hands or from that is gonna stimulate the blood that's on your scalp, I think. The blood that's on your scalp, and that's basically gonna make your hair grow. So okay, so once I'm done with my hot oil treatment that I've put like only on my scalp, not on my hair, I'm gonna use my deep treatment. This one is from Cream of Nature. Like, I really like Cream of Nature products, especially the Organ Oil line. Straightening Milk Mask. Help to restore dry damaged curls. I ain't got no curls, but it's still good for my relaxed hair. And this thing smells like, this thing smells so good. I think that I've used this one for like 2 years, and it's the best one that I've ever used. It's so moisturizing, and the texture, I really like it. Like, it's not dry, it's just creamy, perfect. So I'm gonna put that everywhere on my hair, all over the length of my hair. So I don't put that on my scalp, I only put it on the length of my hair. This one is to moisturize my actual hair. Okay, and when you feel like you've moisturized everything, you just want to put your hair in a ponytail. You want to cover your hair with a plastic cap, just so that you can keep all the heat inside. I need to. So after that, what I do to increase the heat on my head, I just put a towel over it. So it feels so soft, it smells so good, and I really feel like my scalp is moisturized and things like that. So I am very happy with my hot oil treatment and deep conditioning routine. So I've been doing that for like 2 years now, and I really stick with it. It works wonders for me, so that's what I do. So after that, all I do is go in the shower and detangle my hair, and then dry my hair, and that's it for my hair routine. So I'll speak to you guys in another video. Please leave me in the comments what kind of video you would like to see, and I will do it for you. So thank you. Bye.